If you use these two all day, we need to talk. A year ago, I developed carpal tunnel syndrome, which comes from compression of the median nerve in the wrist. If you type in carpal tunnel and editor into Twitter, you'll find hundreds of other people having this problem. My carpal tunnel was caused by repetitive hand movements from the mouse and keyboard. It can start off as though your hands are feeling stiff, but it can turn into pain really fast if it's left untreated. Looking for a solution, I found out and tried compression gloves. You can even see me using them in a previous YouTube video of mine, and I see other creators buying this to treat themselves. Remember, carpal tunnel is caused by your median nerve being compressed. Compressing it further will make your carpal tunnel worse. 5 months ago, my carpal tunnel got to a point where I couldn't feel anything but pain when I tried to use a computer for more than 2 hours. And so I had to change my habits immediately. I went to a doctor for help. They recommended that I use a wrist splint for when I go to sleep. A splint for carpal tunnel syndrome helps to keep the wrist in a neutral position, reducing the pressure on the median nerve. I replaced my full-size keyboard for a 65% one, which improves ergonomics. I got a desk mount so my arms can stay at a 90-degree angle, and I got a vertical mouse. That on top of the splint and doing 5 carpal tunnel stretches a day, I am happy to say that my pain has mostly gone away. If you start to feel a little stiffness in your hands when you start using the computer, please contact your doctor and let them try to find the right treatment for you before it gets worse. I hope this helps.